Yes, we have increased the magnification. Uh, just a second. Okay. Okay. कैन वी जूम इट? इसको, हाँ, इसको जूम कर सकते हैं थोड़ा सा, या हाँ, मैग्निफिकेशन बढ़ गया, हाँ नहीं, क्लैरिटी नहीं बढ़ा।
Actually, it's not in center. I think that's one reason it's not showing that microscope should be.
ओके,
Yeah, correct. Little more,
पूरा
little
फुल
more.
में नहीं आ सकता ये।
थोड़ा जूम लेस कर दीजिए,
उसमें छोटा सा में नहीं दिखेगा ना।
थोड़ा जूम कम कर दीजिए इसको।
So that's the most important part. What we can say whenever we are doing intraoperative bonioscopy, to see
जूम,
the angle
जूम कम इससे।
fracture
हाँ जूम कम जूम
and
अप।
to place the monolens, surgical monolens in a way that you can see the angle. And it will come when there is a proper angulation.
थोड़ा जूम कम कर दीजिए इसको, जूम रिड्यूस कर दीजिए।
कम करूँ?
हाँ,
देखिए,
नहीं,
या टेबल और ऊपर करना।
टेबल नीचे करना पड़ेगा।
So before moving to the MITS, as madam was saying, we should do the plenty of
ठीक है,
intraoperative
नहीं, जूम कम
bonioscopy.
करिए, और कम करिए। हाँ,
ठीक है, मैं और थोड़ा ज़्यादा करूँ?
नहीं, ठीक है।
ठीक है।
यस, यस।
Yes, yes, yes. It's very clearly visible. There some
ब
drops are there
ये
here. Here. Correct. So Visco helps in easy visualization.
देर आर बबल्स बट
Yeah,
ओके।
there are bubbles, so it is obscuring our vision. We to our knowledge, we have a surgical gonioscope here, and we are doing some of the MIT some procedures here. So traffic, we have a surgical gonioscope here. Yes, so I'm that one. There are two types of gonioscope. One is the
there's
Catena, which is disposable one, or you can say you can use it through EQ, after EQ, three cycles. Another is the subcontinental with handle.
बबल्स नहीं आ रहे।
Yes, yes.
बबल्स
So that can be re-esthetized even in auto.
टिश्यू, टिश्यू,
कॉटन।
टिश्यू है यहाँ मे भी।
ये लैब टिश्यू चलेगा
हाँ,
आपके पास?
कोई भी।
मोबाइल यूज़ करते हो लैब टिश्यू चलेगा? मेरा बैग में रखा हुआ है यहाँ पर।
So our second cohort consists
हाँ,
5 OT,
बस
5 OT,
मैं लेके आता हूँ।
5 OT, 5 OT, 5 modular OT, and all are NABH standard. Each has a one unit, and there is
दूसरा सिम्युलाई निकालना है एक।
welcome to the
सिम्युलाई
Professor
दूसरी निकाल।
HOD AIMS Patna to welcome everyone. Yes. So it's a live also coming on. Anybody can join the MITS hands-on workshop, and the Dr. Vinay is reaching there. First group has reached there, around 8 people. It's a model line.
टिश्यू है क्या?
So may I listen Dr. Veena Menon?
So clarity is, yeah, sir. Is it much better? Is clear now?
Better, better. You can zoom it. Zoom it. It will make it more clear. Yeah, a little bit sensation is required. Correct, correct. Yes, zoom out, zoom out. Yes, yes, yes. It's really good, it's really good. It's the brown pigment. The basic. Later, later.
No, you'll be doing. I'll be just telling. So normally, I'll just tell you the prototype. This is a prototype of KDB. Now the tip is 90 micron. What is estimated is the thickness of the trabecular mesh is 95 micron. So you have to enter with the tip. When you enter it, just posterior, place it posterior to the surface of the canal. And this is a ramp which is going to lift the TM once you enter the TM. The moment it lifts up, these are two parallel blades which are 230 microns apart, and just glide it.
So your entry is oblique or your entry is 90 degrees?
10 degree. Next entry is from the temporal.
Yeah, but what
And
is the angulation at which you hit the
10
canal?
degree. 10 degree.
10 degrees. 10 degree means 180 hertz हो गया, ये हो गया.
Yeah.
Okay, oblique.
Inferior superior. Yeah. You go inside, just enter it, and posterior. Keep it parallel to the posterior surface of the canal, and it is automatically going to lift the TM. Just try it. Make an incision.
You want me to go straight at
Make an incision. Go straight,
and go
like
right
you're
and
sitting
left?
temporal like this. Okay. If you're doing with the cataract, from the same cataract incision, you go across.
Okay, let
Yeah.
me see.
Yeah.
So can I have a microscopic view for our audience?
But I want a magnifying view, no? The magnifying.
Yes.
Magnification. Okay.
It's a model, right? It's a, everything is made visible, I can say. So this area, right? This area, we, yes. Dr. Meena? Yes.
But I can't see the angle directly because there is something over here. No, no. This portion, it is obscuring the view.
No, Visco. You put
गोने लेंस लगा ये वाला
So this what she is using is the Catena lens. You can see. So this part will be the incision. This curve what you are seeing,
Okay.
it will go near the incision. I think it's already.
curve will go in
Ah.
towards the incision.
So it's a 2.2 keratome.
Visco. Visco.
Visco
Inside
on
or-
this also,
Oh,
and this
both.
also.
Both. Inside you put. Inside. You put inside. Inside also you put Visco. Inside. Over the cornea also you can put. Okay. No. First you have to adjust the microscope and the patient head. Yes. I can see.
What we can see here is
वो डेंट है इसमें सेंटर पॉइंट में.
So the blade you put.
so art is to focus on the trabecular muscle. Dr. Meena, do you agree?
That's I think because of the pressure.
So yeah, no, there's no pressure. There is an indentation center in
Okay,
the dummy.
they have made it. Acha. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's because the artificial eye, no? They've. It is a little steeper view what you are seeing. It is not a total en face view. Probably the tilt.
So I go,
Onto into the meshwork.
yeah, up to the mark,
You can just go as much as you can.
yes, and pull it off.
And then turn it now. You can
Yeah,
do the
I
other
know.
side. See, the
That's
thing
it.
is now
Thank you.
because the artificial lens, no?
Yeah, I got
it's
it.
not that en face view. So when you put the tilt and the microscope, it should be seen like direct en face. It should not be like that.
Since
you're
if you're
trying to
doing
see.
your incision is already there, and
Yeah.
then you can tilt the eye once you
Yeah.
put the lens,
Yeah.
and then you
After
can
the
visualize
cataract.
the angle,
Yeah.
and then, Ji.
Not every time. Yeah, not every time. Sometimes it bleeds, but then it kind of, you can just put the.
There is no danger of going deeper than usual.
Put this line out.
I mean,
ऊपर में.
that's
Sorry.
There
like,
of the mark where you need to.
yeah. And the thing
नहीं,
is,
पहले
you
focus
have
तो हो
to
जाए.
see the trabecular
कौन
measurement.
सा है? Focus कौन सा
Properly,
है?
you should see the
Zoom
trabecular
F
measurement,
F.
then only start doing. Now the challenge is like you have to put at the highest magnification. Okay, so when you start the surgery, obviously you cannot make it like the highest magnification. So when you start, like you put the low magnification, you make sure that where your incision is. See, once you become good, you know where your incision, even if it is not clear, you can start going in. You concentrate on the angle.
ये focus नहीं
Actually,
है.
only thing is that your magnification is the highest magnification.
कहाँ पे यार?
That is
इसका?
important. I think whatever microscope you have to go to
ये
the
ऊपर जा
maximum
रहा है.
magnification. Then proceed. Then proceed.
Actually, if you localize where you have to go, then it is.
Yeah.
That is
So
the only
see,
thing.
actually speaking, the main thing is intraoperative
अब ठीक है.
gonioscopy.
Now it is focused.
That's the
Now it is
funda
focused.
of this whole thing.
और
See,
अब जो
before
है
you start using a
ये
couple plate,
वाटर
just
है. चले. इंसिजन तो दिया हुआ नहीं है अभी. लो. आप बोलते हैं you want to do a corneal incision, more on the cornea. Okay. Viscoelastic. सारा एयर बबल हटा दो. एयर बबल हटाओ यार. एयर बबल से ऑब्सक्योर हो जाता है. या हो गया. लो. कॉर्निया के ऊपर डाल देते हैं और लेंस के ऊपर भी डाल देते हैं. ठीक है. ये हटाओ, ये हटा दो. देखें लेंस है, इस पे डाल दो. कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा. ये हाँ, या यहाँ देखो दिख रहा है. ठीक है. ओके. अब मेरा इंसिजन कहाँ था ये. तो मैडम आई विल डू वन थिंग. आई विल गो आउटसाइड इन. राइट. आई एम डूइंग द आउटसाइड. कुछ ज़्यादा चला गया है. कोई बात नहीं. नहीं, इधर से और थोड़ा कर लेंगे. whatever is visible, and then yeah, now this is done. Where is your forceps, plain forceps? You have the नहीं है. So oh, Ajit, we need to have a plain forceps also so that we can pull it out. The tissue which we have excised, we can see that, right?
Remove it with an intraocular
Yes,
forceps,
yes.
actually.
Okay.
After removing it, then you wash off the visco and then you do.
Ajit, we must tell the company people to reduce the price by 50%.
No air bubble, no, not required.
Yeah.
It's like a
It's
your
a-
frequency, no? It's nothing left.
Just
How many?
Tighten it.
3 eyes कर सकते हैं. So, ETO करके.
It should be, I think there will be a reduced, there should be a reduced price for all the past members. पटना आप कम्युनिटी
नहीं तो हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चर करना शुरू कर देंगे. हम ही लोग हैं. Madam, there was always one concern. So how do you this is a gonioprism? How do you sterilize the gonioprism? Autoclave खराब हो जाएगा. ETO है. क्या कि मेरे पास I have got all kinds of gonioprisms. Even this I have. या लेकिन आई हैव नॉट ट्राइड द काहू, आई हैव नॉट ट्राइड.
सर आपका पेशेंट तो मान जाएगा आपसे करवाने के लिए.
कौन? ये पेशेंट तो
इंश्योरेंस मिलता है ना.
इंश्योरेंस है, इसका है ना,
हाँ है, वही तो इंश्योरेंस.
इंश्योरेंस में है.
For making the clear coronal incision, I am injecting the OVD into the anterior chamber to remove the air bubble, and subsequently
सर जाड़े में फैमिली ट्रिप कैसे बनाएं सर? लेकिन सर कमाने के बाद भी बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, पता नहीं क्या है, एकदम ऐसा लगता है.
gonio.
हम गए हैं सर, 2 बार गए हैं.
So gonio should
अभी तक बोले नहीं है, देखिए पोजीशन.
अच्छा यूज्ड है क्या? ये फोकस नहीं हो रहा है पूरा. इससे ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं आ रहा है माइक्रोस्कोप. टेबल हाइट, टेबल हाइट, टेबल हाइट. हाँ,
This is the table height, no?
डाउन 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 डाउन. हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ऊपर कीजिए. हाँ, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड.
Yeah.
We can easily visualize from here as well. Little bit centration is required.
अभी trabecular meshwork is almost gone.
This is, I think, operated eye, but so just I will try. I am entering with the Kahoot blade.
Yeah.
And just move the eye, you can remove the disturbance.
So this is the Kahoot blade. I'll enter with that. मेरे को दिख रहा है अभी, ठीक है. Now it is fine.
ठीक है, अभी ठीक है.
So I will enter from this Kahoot tip at the 10 degree. And I'll enter into the trabecular meshwork, then they peel it off from. सर का जो रिमिनेंट था मैंने हटा दिया.
More than 100 degree you did in a one shot.
और यहाँ से जो थोड़ा बहुत दिख रहा है.
You are taking from the you are doing this time inside out.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think I have to give a new eye
Yeah.
now.
Thank you.
Ma'am, is this microscope is already tilted, na?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
But mostly we need to tilt around 35, 40 degree.
30.
30.
32.
So where to mark exactly, like
This is right.
with,
Camera I have.
so should,
Which is a tilt here in this one, huh? No, angle meter app is there. But which is the Lumera mein, I don't know which is the tilt. This is the vertical, no?
no, this is the horizontal, I think. And
Tilt कैसे किया आपने?
which is the base angle है कि किसको
Cataract में कैसे करते हैं?
नहीं बता पाएगा. हाँ ठीक है.
Yeah, so you, like we can keep it like that. That angle meter app is there. So you can use that. This is the angle meter app. So like you know, you put it here, like when you put it here and you keep tilting. then it will show the tilt, amount of tilt.
Okay.
So when
So
you are in cataract, you would put it like this,
okay.
and then you tell your assistant to keep tilting, then it will show the angle, how much is the tilt.
Okay. So it should be tilted. Uh,
This will
it,
go,
it
see, suppose this, if you are
so
going
this
to keep
angle,
like
ma'am.
this,
Like I
you
think
are
this.
sitting temporarily.
I think this angle should be. Yeah.
So agar if you are sitting in
Hmm.
temporary,
Hmm.
this is side you will say,
Hmm.
and this is the nasal,
Hmm.
I think I'll use the microscope. So this is the nasal side if you are sitting here. Then what you have to do is you have to tilt
It's
like
coming.
this, and you have to lift your eyepiece actually.
To
I don't want to break anything of this. So that's the funda. You have to tilt the eyepiece,
eyepiece
towards
and then
nicely.
tilt.
Then your visibility becomes better. Surgeon will be temporal.
No. I think we did already something wrong.
I think we should make people sit in temporal and then try to do. I think that's
Better
the
will sit
master.
to this side.
Yeah. इसको शिफ्ट कर दो और फुट पेडल को
इसको फुट पेडल को भी शिफ्ट कर दो बेटा. नहीं इसको इसको ऐसे करो.
ब्लॉक में होगा तो फिर उनको हेड टिल्ट करने के लिए बोलते हैं जैसे कितने तक.
No, that is what I said कि adult है तो like they almost tell that कि nose has to touch, like almost
Okay.
it
As
is
much as they can. और
not
उसके हिसाब
really.
से
Like
can-
usually they say 25 to 30
नहीं.
again for the head tilt, but then one of the ways to understand is as much as they can, मतलब कि your nose should touch.
We can titrate accordingly.
Then you can have
See
the
and,
this thing also. Yeah, yeah. It's
I think we did something wrong with the.
lift it actually. Then you grip it.
नहीं. I think we did something wrong with the microscope. It is not at all focusing.
No, I think you have to tilt the eye, na Manu?
No, ma'am. At least,
He tilt it the eye.
but it is not in the view, ma'am.
No, that means you have not yet focused. You have to come. Okay, now इसको lift कर सकते हैं? नहीं, वो नहीं. ये
Eyepiece.
Okay.
नहीं eyepiece नहीं change करना है. Eyepiece का tilting change करना है.
So usually it has to be kind of little bit lifted up. That helps to see
No,
the.
it's not focusing.
No, you might have to come up.
You just have what
अभी
What
देख
wrong
लो, your height you will have to increase the height. Table
zoom
को
out.
नीचे कर
I already. नहीं zoom out करो.
टेबल को नीचे कर दो. नहीं नीचे कर दो.
No, there is
पूरा
something.
नीचे कर दो. No, when you
नहीं.
come temporarily. नहीं, he put it up ना. नहीं.
You just have a look. What wrong I'm doing?
नहीं, should come. टेबल को पूरा नीचे कर दो.
ठीक है? Incision is a new one, na? The hold of the phrase is like a pen holding, ma'am. Yeah, is focused. So I have to enter like this, na? And this is the yeah, just this.
Anyone who joins the, wants to join the
Ma'am, you
top
can
floor
see, na?
can go to the second floor.
This
Can go to the second floor.
and
Yeah, we are very, it's visible from the fifth floor
now
itself.
it's okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
inside
done.
out. Oh, but very,
So all whatever strips are there, I have to take out with the intraocular. Okay. Ah. Nice. Ah. Okay. एक ही आंख में सबको करा देंगे वहाँ वहाँ पे एक नैपकिन गिर गया उसको इसमें कर दो डस्टबिन में इट्स ऑल अबाउट द पोजिशनिंग हाँ पोजिशनिंग
Take a picture. This thing should be like this.
ओके और एग्जैक्टली दैट्स व्हाई आई डिडंट वांट टू up yeah I guess mm. A little bit this way okay okay इसको I put so I need to put visco over it also as ma'am told okay okay yes is not going inside the AC I guess should I remove it? Now I'm inside. Yes. Now I'm going to the other side. Okay, now can I come out? And the remnants can be removed with or okay. Okay. So I take it out.